If you go to your refrigerator right now and grab your bottle of ranch dressing, flip it over. I guarantee you it's got two things you don't want: seed oil and sugar. I'm going to show you how, with the simple ingredients, how to make a great version that you can use for dips, salad dressings, your chicken wings, whatever you want. Little ranch dressing for dipping. It's so good. Today I'm going to make an easy ranch dressing. 2 reasons you should start making your own ranch dressing. It doesn't contain sugar and seed oils is your number 1 reason. And 2, it tastes better than the store-bought. We're going to start with some regular chosen mayonnaise, probably about 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to take the same amount of sour cream and some regular full whipping cream. I get out my seasoning. So we're going to use regular pepper, regular salt, onion powder, garlic powder, some parsley, dill, just a tad, some chives if you have it, and I'm skipping the buttermilk and I'm just adding a splash of lemon juice. I'm going to run and grab some fresh chives from my garden. That's how quick it is. Clean. I've got some fresh chive. Now, I'm just finishing Bruce's salad so I can show you his creamy ranch dressing that I'm making for him. Ready? Here. All right. There's the salad. I told him the other day I would buy some dressing. He's like, no, I like the one you make. So there you go. There's the salad. A little salt and pepper on the salad. And then what I do when I finish it is I take my dressing, because I use it, like I said, for chicken wings, for dipping. I use it for my pork rinds. And then I just take it and put it in a little mason jar. And people ask me, how long does it keep? I would say probably a week. You know, if you put it in a sealed jar, probably a week. Go check your salad dressing right now and let me know, does it have seed oil or does it have sugar in there? And leave a comment below. I'd love to know. I started checking every label when I switched over from keto to ketovore about 6 months ago, and I was shocked at the amount of sugar that is in everything. Like, they literally put it in everything to keep us addicted. It's insanity. Now, if you want to know what to pair this with your salad, I'm making right here on the stove my pork pepperoni skillet. Go check that out. In 20 minutes, you can have a delicious dinner start to finish. I'm Karen. Thanks for popping back to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.